Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we are going to be doing something very amazing. Now I'm going to show you how you can check the health of your hard drive on your laptop or your computer. And then to do that, you're going to need a software called Hard Disk Sentinel. So it's actually a paid software, but the free feature allows you to check the health of your hard drive. So there are features that allow you to check it. Now I'm going to drop the link where you can get this software. The link to my drive where you can get it easily to your system. Now this is the software. I will extract it. I'll right click and then go to extract here. Let me extract it here. It will ask me for a password. The password is 1, 2, and 3. That's the password to extract it. Now we have our software extracted. This is the folder. Sorry, this is the folder. I'll just open the folder and then open this zip file inside. I can open it or I can still extract it, but I prefer to open direct. Then open the setup. Once I double click that, I wait for it to load. And then I click yes. And then OK. I'll click on next. Accept the agreement terms. Click on next. Click on yes. Click on next. Ensure these two boxes are checked. You click on next. Then I click on install. So this software is very small. I think it's about 39 MB or thereabouts. So the installation will be very fast, as you can see. Yeah, there we have it. We have it installed on our system. Do you want to launch the Hard Disk Sentinel? Yeah, of course. Finished. So we are done installing it. Let's launch the software. This is the software on my desktop. So whenever you want to launch it, you just double click it. But since it's the first installation to launch by itself, yeah, you have it. So since it's the free version, you always see this pop up, so you can close it. Yeah, there you have it. So this is the health of my hard drive on the system. Currently I possess a 512 SSD, so the health of this hard drive is 100%. So it's actually a brand new SSD. So we have health 100, performance 100. So this hard drive is very okay. And also the beautiful thing about the software is that you can actually use it to check the health of external hard drives. So you can plug in any external hard drive you plug into the system, the software will automatically tell you the health. So we have about 4 external hard drives here that we are going to test the health of these hard drives. I have 4 here. Let me start with this particular one. Let me plug it to my system and then see what we get. So the software will actually automatically read the hard drive and it will show you here. So the health of this hard drive currently that I just connected, the Toshiba hard drive, is 100%. You can see it, the health is 100. This is for my main hard drive on my system. So I can actually connect multiple hard drives too. So let me do for this particular one, this hard drive. Okay. Let me be sure 100%. The software is still reading this. Yeah, we have the second hard drive having a health of 97. You can see this is the one I just connected. This particular one, the health is 97%. So let me remove this because I only have two USB ports on my laptop. And also remove this. I'm done with this too. Then I'm left with this too. So connect this particular one to my system. Okay. Yeah, the one I just connected to is 100. The health of this one is 100. So I think we are left with this particular one. Let's check what we have here. And then, oh, wow, this one, the health of this hard drive is 25. So the hard drive is already going. It's already going. It's just 25%. Now, this is how you can actually check the health of your hard drive. Now, the essence of this software is to give you an idea of you to know when your hard drive is failing, to know when to back up your hard drives. Though there are some hard drives that at 25% will still be working, but you start experiencing Windows taking time to load, your Windows crashing often, that's already a sign that the hard drive is failing. So this will inform you beforehand to know when to back up your file to avoid that final crash so that you don't lose your file. So the software is very, very handy. There are other softwares that you can also use to check health of hard drives, but I find this to be one of the best in the market that you can use. So I'm going to drop a link, like I earlier stated, where you can get this software from. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment on our videos, and also share our videos to your friends so that you can get more captivating and educative content like this. See Wise Gadgets. Peace out.